In this video, you will see what's inside the Sony A6700 mirrorless camera box and my first impressions. I purchased this camera during the offer time, and that too I ordered only the camera body. Along with the camera body, I ordered Sigma lenses for it, which will arrive in a few days. This is how the box looks. Right now the price of this camera body on Amazon is around 1,13,000 rupees. You can click the link in the description box to check what the current price is and whether there are any offers going on. This camera comes with 2 years of standard warranty and an additional year of warranty. So in total, we get a 3-year warranty. I'll make a dedicated video on how to claim this properly. So stay tuned for upcoming videos by clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon to the side of it. This is one of the biggest investment for this channel after my previous Canon DSLR. After opening the box, first we get the 64GB memory card from Sony. Why not 128GB? Because anyone who is buying this camera records videos in 4K, so 64GB is very low, I can say. According to my experience, we can hardly record less than an hour with this memory card in 4K. After that, we get a lot of paperwork including a warranty registration card, instruction manual, etc. Below that, one strap is provided. After that, a battery is there. But there is no charger or cable to charge this camera in the box, which is so strange. We are paying this much money but not getting a charger is really sad. After that, a viewfinder protection cover is there. Next, finally, the camera body is available. That's it. These are the things we get inside the box. I still remember when I unboxed my first ever DSLR camera from Canon, the Canon 200D Mark II, I got a battery followed by a charger, a memory card and a carry bag too. That was half the price of this camera at that time. This camera in hand feels somewhat heavy compared to my previous Canon DSLR camera. I'll get used to it, so I will feel comfortable after a few days. The texture on the top of the camera looks different. It's not completely black. I thought someone had used this camera, but after looking at the internet and some pictures, I concluded that this is what the design looks like. The screen of this camera is completely touch sensitive and rotatable to any angle. I'm adding the viewfinder cover and this is what it looks like after that. This camera in hand feels very compact and solid, and that too without adding any lenses. On the bottom side, we get the battery compartment. This is how you need to insert the battery. Just move the spring slider a bit and push the battery inside. On the left side, the SD card slot is there. You can use standard SD cards as well. Above that, we get a Type-C slot for charging and data transfer and a 3.5mm jack. The first impressions are really good, but there is a lot of learning curve for me to become a pro in using this Sony camera. The options are totally different compared to the Canon DSLR that I'm using right now for recording this video. Anyways, I'll keep on updating and posting videos on this camera, so it is going to be helpful for you if you're going to or have already purchased this camera. Comment below which camera are you using if you have one. Subscribe if you haven't done it. Thanks for watching till now and connecting with me. See you again in the next video.